I have this fascination for birds, and every morning as I wake up, there are so many different kinds of birds. And as I sit there and watch them, I always feel such peace, as if they are like the carriers of freedom and liberation and playfulness as they dance and soar through the sky. And yeah, they teach me so much about how to live life, to not take it too seriously, to play a little more, dance a little more, shake things off a little more. And us humans get easily caught up in the chaos and the drama of our own minds and of the things that happen around us. Birds can teach us to slow down, take a deep breath, and see life through simplicity. Like, see the simple beauty that is right in front of you, and not make things so complicated. So today, maybe you can look up at the sky, maybe a bird flies by and it gives you a certain message, a certain moment of stillness, a moment of reflection, and see what this bird is trying to teach you. Perhaps it's just taking a deep breath, or seeing the clouds in the sky, feeling the wind on your face, your feet on the earth. It can be so simple, yet these simple things bring us back home to where the joy is, the ease, the rest. And it doesn't mean everything needs to be perfect. There is perfection in the chaos, in the mess, in the confusion, in the doubts. And you can still learn to dance with it and know that there's such a power holding you. And like the birds lean on the wind, maybe we can lean a little bit more on life and on trust and on this deeper wisdom that resides within us all. Sending you lots of love, and let me know about the birds that come into your life today.